what we need to know is what tax card we can choose as a private person when we work in Norway. It's an important decision for you to make if you live in Norway first year or you come to Norway for the project works. I will show you the difference between pay-as-you-earn scheme and a general tax rule, and we will try to save as much money as we can. What is a deduction card? It's an electronic document that shows to your employer how much taxes he needs to deduct before he pays out your salary. All who work in Norway must have a tax deduction card. Applies for 1 working year, so 1 calendar year. Most new foreign workers become a part of pay-as-you-earn scheme automatically, but you can choose to be taxed under the general tax rule. So if you chose to pay according to the general tax rule, you will get a new tax card every January, and you need to adjust it yourself. So put your expected income there and send it in tax administration office. So when it's the best to use pay-as-you-earn scheme, or Kildeskatt as we call it in Norwegian? First, when you're not living permanently in Norway and doing project work. Second, when it's your first year living in Norway and you earn more than, let's say, 25,000–30,000 euro. So what do you need to know about this rule? Your employee, if you choose pay-as-you-earn scheme, your employee will be deducting 25% of your salary, no matter what. If you earn less than you expected, it will be deducted 25% and it doesn't change. In the end of the year or after 1 working year, you get receipt from Norwegian tax administration when it states how much taxes you paid. So with pay-as-you-earn scheme, you can make your taxes actually go down from 25% to 17.1% if you send application to NAV and make the exception of paying a national insurance contribution. As you don't live in Norway permanently, you are not obligated to pay it because they expect you to pay it in the country you live in. That's how you can reduce your taxes, but you need to send the application to NAV. It doesn't happen automatically. Maximum amount of money you can earn with pay-as-you-earn scheme is 639,000 crowns or 62,000 euros approximately. So if you're in range from, I would say, 35 to 62,000 euros a year, you will save a lot of money. For people with salary less than 20,000 euros a year, I would say it's not worth it because you will pay less than 25% taxes anyway. So it's the best option for people who earn good money over short periods of time, and it will save you a lot in taxes. You can choose pay-as-you-earn scheme year after year if you are not staying in Norway for more than 183 days in total, or it was 270 days in a 36 months period. By the way, if you like this video and you find it useful, please press like. When it's the best to use a general tax rule? First of all, if you're planning to live in Norway for more than a year and you already staying here for more than a year with registration and everything, you will be taxed under the general tax rule. This rule is based on your income and deductions that you can get. So because you receive your tax return the following year, there is some perks to it that pay-as-you-earn scheme doesn't have. For example, you can claim deductions on your expenses related to work, which is working equipment, for example, traveling expenses, all the tickets, all the education that you need to take related to your work maybe. And you can get your money back if you earn less than expected and you pay too much taxes. With pay-as-you-earn scheme, you're not getting any money back in the next year if your expected income turned out to be less. Choosing your tax card can be really overwhelming, especially as a newcomer in Norway, and I'm breaking down this topic in details on my Patreon, so welcome to membership. Here you can check out my next video and see are you the one of the people who cannot use pay-as-you-earn scheme. Also, I will cover all important nuances to know before you choose the tax card for yourself.